Okay, we're back. Got everything set up. If you guys can see over there, try to get this right. I got my welder set up. I'm about to plug it up, turn it on, and turn it around here so y'all can see. It's got an on and off switch right there. I'm about to press it. It's gonna start the fan. Start the fan up. You can hear it. I'm gonna turn it back around. Try to get these controls where y'all can see them too. There we go, right there, perfect. All right. And you got the controls here. We're gonna have it set. You can click on it. As you can see, you got you got 3 different sticks on here. You got MIG, stick, and TIG. So you can click it down. But we're gonna be at that top one. And we're gonna start out about 75 on that. And as you can see, I got my my ground hooked to my metal, and I got my gloves and my Mig welder there, the handle to get started with. Now I'm gonna try to get everything right where y'all can see it. If we don't mess up here, try to zoom in son. It won't let me do it. So we're gonna get about right here, I guess. If I can tilt this down some. We'll bring it down. There we go, right there. Yep, there we go, right there. Still doing it. All right, now I'm gonna come around, get set up, see if we can put something down on here. All right, get my gloves on. And like I said, welding can be a lot of fun and save you a lot of money. And I didn't see nobody doing it out there, so I figured I'd make a video for you guys. Cause I'm done in the outdoors, but I do a little bit of everything. So, like I said, you want to get your hood down. You want to get kind of close on that metal. Go from this way. And I'm gonna go ahead and tack this to it right here like that. Get on that edge right there, get a good little bead. Get a hood there. And let's go for it. There you have it, just that easy. Ain't the best, you know, but you know, practice makes perfect. Let me get my little wire brush and see what I'm working with. And I did that at an angle. So you kind of brush it up. Got good penetration. And like I said, you can see it. I got a pretty good weld on it. That'll hold, it ain't going nowhere. Let's come back and do the other side. So you can see on the other side here what I'm doing. Here we go. And it's all about holding that gun just right. have it. Let's set him. No, we don't want to set him there. Situated here. I don't have my table just yet, but I'm working on it. Like I say, you just brush that off again. Let's see, that's a good little well. It ain't going nowhere. Now I'm gonna show you the well. I'm just gonna do a regular well and show you how it puddles, and I'm gonna try to get a straight bead, if you will, on there. Put our ground back on, and we're just going to run a straight little bead here. See if we can get it puddling just good and show you what I'm working with. All right, here we go. There you have it. That was a straight little bead I just did, just to show you what I'm working with. Clean it up a little bit. See, that's it right there. Nice, straight, wavy little bead, little well there. And that's what you want to get when you're doing metals, especially at an angle. If you want to get a good penetration and all of that, you want to make sure it's making that wavy, straight, no gaps in between. But that's what you do. So there you have it. Little class on welding. Like I said, that one piece right there, it ain't going nowhere. It's on there. Good penetration. You see on the back. But like I said, practice makes perfect. I think I got a good enough weld to get by and hold some stuff together. So I'm gonna set up the stick welder next. So it'll be a few minutes. I'm gonna set it up, and then we're gonna do some stick welding. All right, we'll see you in a little bit on Don Outdoor Adventures in the welding shop in the backyard.